Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. We got a pack opening. I kind of recorded this late, but I bought the icon pack. It's in the store right now, and we have some Hut Row rewards, but see what we get. Calder. Ooh. It's Luke Robitaille. Oh. If I can upgrade him, that would be nice. Okay, can I buy another one, or is it just one? Oh, no, I can buy another one. Alright, we'll save that. Alright. Here we go. March Stanley Cup. Ooh. Ooh. Charlie Conacher. I think I might be able to. I may be able to upgrade him, but yeah, that's two. And actually, let's open up my Hut Row reward. Let's open up Jumbo NHL Players Pack first. We're just gonna open it. Ooh, Ryan O'Reilly. Ooh, Tarasenko. Okay. I also picked all the untradeable ones. Cause like I don't care. If I get someone good, they're just gonna stay on my fucking team no matter what. Let me save that one for last. Oh! Oh! We got a new fucking. We got a new left-handed defenseman. We got Craig Ludwig. I'll never say this motherfucker's name, but he will be on probably the third line. No, second line, left pair. So I'm gonna turn this music off really quick. We're gonna take our time with this. So far, pretty good. Pulled an 87 out of those packs. Ooh! Oh, McKinnon. God damn it. Oh, I could use him. I was looking at buying him because that synergy. He's a center and he has 69 face-offs. How are you a center and have 69 face-offs? This one. I'm gonna open up Jumbo Premium Players Pack. Here we go. Brady Shea. Petrangelo. Nothing good so far. Yeah, no, that was not good. Yeah, let's see. Maybe we can get something good out of this. I'm just gonna open it up. Aww. Oh, stupid. No. Just test all the packs, you know. Open it. Oh, they didn't even give us a fucking gold player. Mike Riley. Fuck. Who fucking that? Let's open up the Jumbos. I'm gonna skip all that. Oh, Puchinavage. Wow. Absolute shit. These packs are bad. I just like opening them up. Brett Burns. But like, come on, man. Try to get a team of the week. Who the fuck is that? Oh, Braden Holtby! Oh, let's go. Ryan Ellis. Oh, Braden Holtby. Maybe my new starting goaltender. Maybe. Alright, so we open this one. And Anthony Beauvillier. Great. Yeah, no, we can't open that anymore. Really can't open any of them anymore. Alright, we're gonna buy 4 more of these. These are always they're gonna be bad anyway. No, none of them. I'm gonna make a lot of fucking cool. I have a lot of so far. Alright, so nothing really. Wow. Alright, we're gonna go to my collection. I know, we can buy 1 more. And yeah, nothing. We got a nice team of the week, Braden Holtby though, so I'm gonna put them in my lineup. Players that I got, put them on my lineup, and see how I can actually use them. Alright, so this is the team after everything. So Charlie well, we're gonna just call him Charlie. We got Charlie here. He's there. On the left wing at third line. Right to Jock Kane. It kind of sucks, but yeah. Oh, I forgot to put our new guy in here, so we're just gonna swap him out. Our shutdown loses our shutdown, so we can take out Petrangelo. And there he is. Yeah, so we can have him. Oh wow, wow, this is looking pretty good. We're gonna have 2 big guys up here, and yeah, and then we have Holtby and net. So I'm gonna see what I can do. Maybe I can get like an upgrade, and that puts our team up to a 90 overall. So that's pretty good. Yeah, maybe I can work something here. See what I can get. Oh yeah, 15 for gold collectible. Let's see what icons shit we can do here. Maybe we can upgrade our Charlie. I might go out my way to pick up Marty St. Louis, but I don't know. What does he have? He has work car. Yeah, no, he wouldn't fit in. I would love to pick him up. We can try getting a gold collectible. We can probably get 5, honestly. Alright, so I don't know if I risk it and go for Gretzky or Lemieux. We're gonna see what 88s are in, like what 88s I can get. So hold on, I'm just gonna look here. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I can always I have to open them. I'm gonna get an 88. I thought about it. I have 4 to pick from, so I need to see who I need. Honestly, I have no clue who I'm gonna pick. Alright guys, we completed the set. So we're gonna get an 88 icon here. So let's see who we're gonna pick. Honestly need a center, so it's either between Messier, 6 hearts, yes, Gordy. Yeah, Gordy. Oh wait, he has that fucking synergy though. I don't know. 2 hearts, 10 Stanley Cups. Oh my god. Ski Lafleur, but on the whole, John Bell fuck out. My bad. Fortunately, this is the fuck. This is Mark Messier. Oh fuck! I keep on saying 4 Stanley Cups. Oh, that's Wah. Alright, I'm hoping I get Mark Messier. Stanley Cups. 2 hearts. Yep, that's Mark Messier, boy. That's Mark Messier. I need to see what synergies he has, because I will replace McKinnon. Oh, he has shut down. Oh, he has shut down. Oh, fuck. Alright, yeah, we're going with Mark Messier. Made up my mind. We're going for Mark. We're going for the captain. We're gonna get him. The captaincy here. Gotta strip Paul Coffey, but you know, it's worth it. Getting the captain, it's worth it. It's gonna be a very long video. Very long video, bro. Oh, look at that, baby. Oh my god. Oh, what a fucking... Oh, my team, bro. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm honestly so happy. Alright, I'm gonna discard some of the cards that I got. See how much I have left, and I will be right back once they're like all gone. Alright everyone, so we're back, and we only got a little. Not a lot. We got like 20k from that. Yeah, and I can't buy any more packs now. I could just pull one more pack. I can pull one more maybe. Yeah, I'll pull one more. Oh, I can. Alright. Back on where you at, boy? Alright. Ooh, Jack Eichel. That will be going on the market. I want to see if I... Yay! You don't know what you can get from these, though. These small ones are pretty good. Oh, never mind. That fucking trash can, Jack Johnson. Alright, that's cool. We're gonna get... Can I know, I just want to try. Yeah, nah. No, I can't. Maybe, please. Aw, you pussy. Yeah, no, we can't buy anymore. So we're just stuck with 950. I don't want to pull the base packs anyway, so... Yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. Next video is going to be playing with our new team. See how we can do here. And yeah, my name is Nick. I'll see you guys soon.